If your child gets into a crash involving an e-vehicle, prosecutors say you could be held liable.
Hospitals are already seeing an uptick in injuries, and law enforcement are getting more calls.
KETV News Watch 7's Carson Dural is live with more. Carson.
An 11-year-old remains in critical condition. Investigators say he was riding his e-scooter through an intersection in Bennington on Tuesday when he was hit by a pickup truck. Douglas County Attorney Don Klein says likely no one will be charged in this case, but that could change for future cases. Kids across Omaha are still out riding. The question is, who is responsible if they get involved in a crash?
In the case of anyone being on a scooter, a child, parents can be charged with child abuse by neglect.
Douglas County Prosecutor Don Klein and City of Omaha Senior Attorney Michaela Danner say the same thing.
There's certain situations where you can show, if you can show a causal effect with negligence on the parent's part to what happened, then it's a possibility.
They say you could face charges if your child crashes while riding any vehicle.
And negligence is a criminal standard, so it's not a simple negligence. It is more like a reckless type of behavior on the parent's part, but they can be charged with that as a misdemeanor all the way up to a felony.
Klein says parents need to be aware of the risk they're putting their kids and other people in when they let them ride e-vehicles.
If the parent's doing all the things that they're supposed to do and giving them instructions and they don't do it, and the kid decides I'm going to go out the street for a minute, then are they responsible? Or is it really negligence on their part? So that's the question that comes about.
Danner says you can be charged with neglect if you put your child in a situation that endangers them, their physical or mental health and well-being.
Parents have to be very careful about when they give their kids permission to get on those scooters and where they allow them to go and how fast that scooter goes.
We should mention Don Klein and Michaela Danner are running against each other this fall for Douglas County Attorney. They both have differing opinions on whether or not the state should regulate e-vehicles. Klein is pushing for legislation where Danner believes we should focus on education. Live in Omaha, Carson Dural, KETV News Watch 7.